In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change the display language in the Google Photos app on your iPhone or Android device. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Photos app. Now at the top right, you're going to find the profile icon. Click on that. Here you're going to find different options, but you won't find the option to change the language. Google Photos does not have a built-in language setting. It automatically uses the language you set on your phone. So what you can do is you can change the language of your device in order to change the language on Google Photos. Launch the Settings app on Android, open Settings and use the search bar to type language. Then tap language again. From here, choose the language you want Google Photos to display. On the iOS device, launch Settings, go to General, click on the option Language and Reason. Click on Add Language. From the list of languages, select the one that you want to set for your Google Photos. And just with that, the language for Google Photos will be updated. And that's it. This way you are able to change language on Google Photos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.